Hey guy, don't know you know this, but remember how I said on the 1 hour video, I had to get through for like a week or two. I said that for one reason, because we have a proper storm or a hurricane or whatever coming to us, like Friday or so. But it kind of annoying, you know. If you get my point, and it kind of annoying because make sure you stay tuned for a gaming video. A gaming video we're going out on in 35 hours on the 18th of this month. Okay. I'm just super tired tonight. You know, I'm just so tired. I just really dead tired tonight. You know, go subscribe and drop a like. I wanna hit any subscribers. Go subscribe right now. I just love doing the video for you guys. It means a lot when I do the videos. Like on the 18th or so, I'll probably be doing a video on the 18th. On the 18th or so, I said also. I don't know, probably on the 18th. I don't know, but make sure you check out my dog video. It just went out. I make this video for you guys because I want to be go subscribe to my channel. So go subscribe because I'm making awesome videos for you guys. You know, So today was an awesome day. So God bless. Bye bye.